Hi, welcome to the Orange Kitchen. I'm Chef Miguel for the Orange Lifestyle Medicine at Beebe Healthcare. Today we're going to be cooking a 3-bean stew. Here we have the kind of beans that you can use. You can use whatever you like, black, pinto, kidney, northern. Any bean is great for this recipe. It's rich in protein and it's very hearty, especially for these cold days. We're going to have some zucchini, some peppers, some onions and garlic, and some aromatics like thyme and oregano. We also use fresh kale. Okay, let's get cooking. Any oils, we add a little bit of water to create just a little bit of steam so we can saute our veggies. Once it's sauteed for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes, we add some beans. And again, you can use any beans you like. And we have our vegetable broth. So it's been simmering for 15 minutes. The consistency is right, nice and thick. Now we're gonna add our fresh kale and the aromatics. I have thyme and oregano here, fresh. I always use fresh herbs at the end. And it's ready to be served. And I like to garnish with a little bit of fresh onions and some fat-free cheddar cheese. And some homemade cornbread. And there you have it, a 3-bean stew. I hope you enjoyed it.